Bitcoin had a massive drop the previous hours. Let's talk about it. We can see here we were at $67,000 and we dropped quite severely down to $64,000. 5% drop in a matter of just 2 hours. This went super quick. This might have been the reason behind some geopolitical circumstances, but nevertheless, we talked about it many times. The charts were telling us, show me the chart and I tell you the news. The charts, we can see it here at lower high. Here we have a little bit of support still around the $64,000. Let's see if it will get broken down or not. But for now, the trend is definitely to the downside. That's why we were expecting lower price target. As I mentioned, I want to buy some more Bitcoin here at around $59,000, and then my next price target would be the $52,000. Before that, I'm still taking advantage of this volatility with some nice trades. As you can see here, we will talk about them later in these videos. We made some nice gains. We had here a Bitcoin short, opened at 69K. It closed a little bit early. I think it hit stop profit, which is still okay. We still made 500 bucks. We are happy with the outcome. But I opened also this Ethereum short here, and as we can see here, is performing quite nicely. 4K in profits right here on this Ethereum short. We opened it at almost $2,000 when I also reduced my Ethereum position. We will talk about it later in this video, but now back to Bitcoin. Let's see if we can see any chart patterns here. Let's go over here to the 4 hourly. It doesn't look good. We can see it here. It's a downtrend. Clearly, the cycle finished in October. That's why we can expect some more bumps of downwards chop. But that's not bad because this volatility will bring many opportunities. As we can see here on the 4 hourly, we are not oversold yet. So even for a quick long scalp, it's not the time yet. Let's quickly see here what are the indicators telling us. We can see here we have a falling wedge pattern, but I don't think it's gonna play out. I'm tending more to the downside. Let's check the smaller time frames. What can we see here on the 50-minute chart? Also no real patterns here. Okay, I'm still tending to the downside. Why? Because I think the market needs a cool down. We had a massive run, guys. Bitcoin went from $15,000 up to $126,000. We made significant gains trading this move right here. Now it's time for a cool down. After that, we can open some nice long swing trades positions. And you can see here, I still have some longs here where I took some profits, but you can see they are already getting small because, as I mentioned, that's why I opened this hedge here, this hedge short on Ethereum. We can see we are doing quite well. The question is, should I take some profits now or wait for more downside? I'm definitely gonna put my stop loss now in the profit zone. Let's do that always. This is our strategy. Like that, we're not losing any trades. We can see it here, confirm. Now our stop loss is in the profit zone, so we are not risking anything anymore with these trades. Look at this. I showed it to you actually before. This was Ethereum and we still didn't make a decision yet. So I think there might be another drop coming. You can see here lower high, lower low here as well. I think the drop is not finished yet. Be careful out there. I think Ethereum can easily go, let me quickly showcase it to you, to $1,390, somewhere around that. This was the last drop, and I think from there we can expect like some kind of double bottom formation and then a nice bounce to the upside and then a slow recovery and a path to a new all-time high for Ethereum with the start of the new bull market. For now, I think we're still going to have a couple of months of bear market. Be prepared for that, but doesn't mean we cannot make profits because as you can see here, we are trading both sides. We are trading here also the shorts and also the longs. Here on my long, I took already some significant profits, quite happy with it, but we can see we are slowly nearing my entry price and also my stop loss here is at 1,843. Maybe let's take some more gains from here. Let's do it right now. Let's close some here at this price. Tack. Close. We're gonna take some more profits on this trade. Why not? Because I think we might see even lower price targets. Now, should we open some more shorts? Now I think the move is already almost finished. That's why we have to wait it out a little bit. Maybe Doge. I was looking for a short on Doge. We are now on support here. If we're gonna break support, we can go much lower to like 7 cents. Let's do it. Let's open a small short for Doge. Just here we can see it. It's our position is already open. And yeah, I will move the stop loss into the profit zone once we are in profits. That's my strategy for now. I'm looking more for shorts. I'm tending more to the downside, which is not bad because with scare and because when people are scared and there is uncertainty in the markets, that's where the good opportunities are coming in. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to profit. See you all again next time. Bye bye.